I have this picture frame. I found them at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using 3 of them. And I also have some scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to measure to cut these 6 by 6 inches. Now, I was able to just have 1 sheet for my total project. I'm going to cut 3 6 by 6 inches of this scrapbook paper. Now, these picture frames are meant to hold a picture in the center square. I removed the paper that was there for the picture, and I'm going to use some E6000, and I'm placing the E6000 on that black square, the inner one in each corner, and then I'm going to lay my scrapbook paper face down. And now you could pick any design color of the scrapbook paper that will match your own decor. I'm going to go with the word EAT since I only have 3 picture frames. I got these letters from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to paint them using some Wise Owl Higgins Lake. All paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. Once everything is ready to be glued together, I'm going to measure 1 inch down on 2 of my picture frames, leaving the center one staggered a little bit. I'm applying some hot glue. I also recommend that you use some E6000 for a stronger hold. And I'm just staggering my picture frames horizontally. You can also do them vertically, really whichever fits better in your space. Once my wood letters are dry, I'm going to then glue those 1 letter into each picture frame. I got these letters again at Hobby Lobby, and I'm using E6000 as the E6000 does hold better on the glass. Next, I found this little kitchen tool set from the Dollar Tree. I like that it was painted in black and white. They are plastic, and I'm going to take 2 of the kitchen tools and glue them down on a small popsicle stick that I had cut. And then I'm going to place some glue on the handles and wrap the jute around to even secure them more onto the popsicle stick. And I'm just going to keep wrapping until I have a nice layer of the jute holding the 2 ends of my kitchen tools together. I'm then going to glue the tools at the top of my sign here, going right above the A, and then I have this little burlap bow that I made, and I'm going to glue that right in the center of the jute. And I really like how this looks. I'm going to add a little bit of the Wise Owl silver gilding paint to the tips of my tools here. You can just certainly leave them the black and white as well. And for a hanger, I left one of the picture hangers on the back of the center picture frame. And there you go. Now we have this really easy farmhouse Dollar Tree EAT sign. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.